What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here. Now in this video, I want to share a case study with you guys on how one simple page had generated over tens of thousands of dollars using affiliate marketing. But before we get into this, listen, if you love any of my video training, make sure you click the subscribe button right below and click on the notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you'll be notified right away. And also, if you like this video, make sure you click on the thumbs up button and to leave me a comment and to share your feedback with me as I read every single one of them. So now let's dive right into today's video. We're still going to be talking about Facebook. Now, in my last video, I released 5 top ways for you to actually generate a profitable business using Facebook. Now, with that, the last step is obviously affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been here for decades and decades and decades. A lot of businesses use affiliate marketing to actually increase their revenue source. And in fact, there's a lot of businesses that just primarily focus on generating commission as an affiliate. But here's the brutal truth. Facebook hates affiliate marketing. And the reason why Facebook hates affiliate marketing is really because a lot of people simply use direct linking. So all they're doing is simply grabbing their affiliate link and running Facebook ads to that link. And Facebook absolutely hates that. And that's why a lot of people's account got suspended or their Facebook ad account got disabled, because this is actually what Facebook do not want. And if you actually look at how Facebook works, Facebook actually changed their entire thing into newsfeed. Well, obviously it's called newsfeed, so it should be consisting of content, what your friends are doing, all the videos, and all the photos of your friends, right? Now, if you just obviously create an ad that direct links and does not have any content, guess what? Facebook will disable your account and actually slap you for not doing the right thing. So now you'll be wondering, well, Fred, you just said that there are ways, or a simple page can actually generate tens of thousands of dollars in commission for using affiliate marketing in Facebook. How can you do that? Well, there are actually 4 different ways for you to actually use, or I should say there's a loophole, 4 loopholes inside Facebook where you can actually take advantage and still make money as an affiliate. And the 4 ways are: number 1, an opt-in page; number 2, a quiz funnel; number 3, it's going to be a survey funnel; and last but not least, it's an article-based pre-sale page. Now, you might be wondering, well, Fred, what are all these? Well, listen, I have an entire website, or I should say an entire page of article that I know that made tens of thousands of dollars. And I was able to actually find this out because I have a lot of friends that are underground experts that have been using this exact method and generating a lot of money every single day. So I'm actually going to dive over to my computer and I'm going to show you what that page looks like and why that page actually works. And if you're looking into obviously affiliate marketing with Facebook and you want to learn exactly how to do that without obviously creating your product, worrying about customer service, or delivering the product, well, guess what? Let's watch that video right now. I'm going to head over to my computer. I'm going to walk you through it to show you why that page works and what it takes to actually make tens of thousands of dollars using one simple page. So let's head over right now. All right, we're back right into my computer right now. And before I show you how that particular pre-sale article works, I want to give you a background perspective on how you can actually use Facebook ads to create a bridge to an affiliate offer in a way where you don't get suspended for your Facebook ad account. So let's say that on here right now you're using Facebook ads, so FB ads, and what you're essentially trying to do is to create a bridge over to an affiliate offer. So if anyone that actually buys the product, you make a commission right on this end if they actually buy the product. Now, obviously in terms of affiliate offers, there is not just obviously digital products, right? There are things like ClickBank, there are CPA networks, There are even GoDaddy. There are actually a lot of ways for you to actually generate commission by simply referring to big companies or other brands where they sell the product, you just deliver the traffic, and you don't even have to worry about customer service and all those other non-fun stuff, right? Now, when you're doing this, like I said earlier, if you're trying to actually bridge it with an affiliate link, I'm just going to affiliate link. It is a big no-no, okay? You are going to actually get in deep trouble. So what you want to do in this bridge is right in the middle, you want to actually create something different. And in here, you want to actually use an article to pre-sell with your affiliate link. So it goes to the article and it goes straight to an affiliate offer. There are things like a quiz funnel. There are things like surveys. And there are opt-in page as well. Now, we all heard about opt-in pages, so I'm not going to go into that detail, but let's talk about the first one over here, the article. Now, like I said earlier in this video, I'm going to share with you an article that has done or generated tens of thousands of dollars, and these are income verified. And obviously, one thing to let you know, not everybody can do this because you have to actually understand what happens, how to actually have these articles in place, and how to implement them. So that we're going to actually dive right into a case study of this article pre-sale page to actually use an affiliate link towards an affiliate offer on ClickBank. So here we go. I'm just going to go over to my browser right now. This is the article pre-sale page. It is like a blog. And if you actually scroll down your newsfeed and see an article or someone that is posting about a particular topic, and when you click on it, you should see something like this. It's a full article page, and people can actually read it. There are some very valuable content in here that pre-sells, basically in this case, a numerology reading. So you can see basically this is a great article. It is a great feed or content that Facebook loved, because if you remember, Facebook renamed their platform or how they actually show posts into newsfeed. So with the word news on top, you know that if there's an article, if there's a news, or if there's some kind of written blog, those work really, really well because Facebook can see that you are providing value to their users. So this is really a article landing page, right? But if you actually notice, there are several spots in here that sells or pre-sell a numerology reading. The first place is right here. You can actually see the numerologist.com. When they click on it, this is actually an affiliate link that directly goes to a free personalized numerology report. Now, if we actually go back, you can actually see that this is also another link, free personalized numerology reading for 2018. There's another spot, so then it goes into a lot of good content, and when you scroll down further, you'll see another link that basically links to an affiliate offer. Here's another one, right? And then here is another one. So if you can actually see, and here is another one. So in this website alone, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which we just click on it in the beginning. There are 6 different spots that actually have an affiliate link to an affiliate offer. But if you notice, in the eyes of Facebook, when they actually look at this, they can see that there are a lot of valuable content on here. It is not just all about sales, 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 sales. Again, it serves the purpose of Facebook of having their newsfeed on providing content for their users, and you're simply pushing traffic to this content piece. But again, if you actually read through this article, you will notice that their main purpose is to actually drive traffic directly to an affiliate offer where it actually begins in this landing page. Now again, this is very powerful because number one, Facebook loves it. Number two, at the end of the day, you are able to still make profit with people clicking onto here. Now, a lot of people will be wondering, well, at the end of the day, there's an additional link that people actually have to click. Well, in reality is that if the person actually read this article and click onto this link, the conversion rate on this page will be far more greater than going from an ad directly to an affiliate offer. So it's actually a win-win situation. Number one, you're not going to get penalized by Facebook by simply just advertising an affiliate link. You're giving content to the users of Facebook, and when people actually come on here, yes, there is an article written, but at the end of the day, when anyone actually click on these affiliate links, chances are that the conversion rate are going to be far more greater. So like I said earlier in this diagram that I showed you, not only do you want to basically create articles, there are other ways like survey funnels, quiz funnel, that basically at the tail, the whole purpose or intent is to actually go to an affiliate offer. And Facebook is absolutely fine with this because you are taking an extra step to share content, to share all these information to their, obviously, audience. So your goal is really simple. It's simply to use Facebook ads, drive it to these 4 loopholes, which is either opt-in page, survey, quiz, or article, and then link them to an affiliate offer. And like I said, this page alone, has generated tens of thousands of dollars. And if you actually look at it, it actually makes sense, right? If I am into numerology, or if I am into some kind of zodiac stuff, and if I read this article, it would actually pique my interest to actually get a free personalized numerology reading. And that's how people are able to actually make a ton of commissions using Facebook ads and affiliate marketing. Now, again, article marketing is just one of the ways. And you'll be wondering, well, Fred, this looks hard. There's a lot of things I have to do. I'm not a writer. I don't know what I should do. Or I love the affiliate space and I don't want to get penalized. At the end of the day, here's the deal. If you love what you learned so far, and if you want to basically learn how you can actually have articles all written without you writing it, if you want to basically learn how to use quiz funnels, how to use survey funnels, and it's really a 3-step system. It's pretty easy. It's just 3 steps. And you will have the ability to learn exactly what my great friends who have been doing a lot of these strategies and making millions online every year. And if you want to learn exactly how they have done it and reveal the 3 steps to you, there's a link right below this video. Click on it, sign up for a live workshop, and I have invited 2 guest experts that are an underground millionaire, basically silently, I should say, using Facebook ads and running to these kind of pages and making a lot of commissions every single day on selling other people's product where they don't even have to worry about delivering the product or customer service at all. And if you want to learn about it, again, there's a link right below this video. Click on it, save your seat, and make sure you are there live. And I will also have an interview series that's coming up with these 2 experts on revealing more of these strategies on how you can actually take advantage of using Facebook ads and running through these kind of funnels and learn how to exactly do it and start building a profitable online business with affiliate marketing. All right, so again, I hope that this actually opened up your eyes and you can see how affiliate marketing is actually not dead on Facebook, although Facebook hates it, but there are loopholes and ways around it, and we will review more in the coming videos. So again, if you like any of this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, once you have done so, there is something that looks like this. I'm really bad with drawing. It looks like a notification bell. Make sure you click on the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. I don't know how to draw a thumb. Let me try. This. All right, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment right below. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.